Hello, Inez. Thank you for your question. On this one, you're going to be looking for the arithmetic functions f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f divided by g, and finding the domain. Now, what I noticed first of all is that f and g are both polynomials, so when I add, subtract, or multiply, I'm going to get a polynomial. The only different thing that's going to be interesting is when I divide this. Polynomials always have the domain, all real numbers. So let's go ahead and start this. They want a simplified answer for the expression for f plus g, so I just add the two. 3x plus x is 4x. Negative 1 plus 2 is plus 1. And so there's f plus g. The domain, well, look at the function now. Look at the expression. That's just a polynomial. And if it's a polynomial, its domain is going to be all real numbers. Again, with f minus g, simplified, 3x minus x is 2x. X. Minus 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And again, this is still a polynomial. And its domain is going to be all real numbers, from negative infinity to infinity. Now, for f times g, it doesn't say anything about simplifying, right? So don't go to any extra trouble, just take f and multiply it by g, the two expressions. There we go. And this is f times g, and the domain again. If you take two polynomials and add, subtract, or multiply them, you're going to get another polynomial. And as long as you have a polynomial, the domain is all real numbers. Now the last one is f divided by g. This time we're going to get a fraction, and we have to make sure that we're not going to actually divide by 0. Let's take a look. First of all, let's put f in the top for f minus g, f 3x minus 1, right? And the bottom, I'm going to put g, which is x plus 2. If I can get my keyboard to help out, x plus 2. There's the expression. And now, the domain is not going to be all real numbers. The domain is going to be all real numbers except for the zeros of the denominator. Because I can't divide by 0, I can't let x plus 2 equal 0, because then I'd be dividing by 0. Now, how do I prevent x plus 2 from being 0? I just avoid the x value of negative 2. And that's going to prevent me from dividing by 0. So it's going to be all real numbers except for negative 2. So it's going to be negative infinity to infinity with a break right at negative 2. That's what we're looking for. Now, if you have other questions, you let me know and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Take care.